have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave a link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by a blondie with some lowlights. Yeah, this is going to be so interesting as I really don't have any blonde wigs with those multi-tones, so it's actually very exciting. So she is a blondie, as you can completely see. She is a wavy, gorgeous blondie. So as you can see right here, she kind of has, you know, some shorter mid-length layers, and it kind of ends up in a V slight bottom right there. It's got these really great golden streaks in here with this kind of platinum blonde. It's kind of blended in here underneath the hair, you know, just like an actual person in a salon would do with your hair. And then same thing with the roots. So she has these kind of delicious tones all up here that you can kind of like move all the way around with that. So I'm really excited to try her on. So let's talk about the actual wig construction. So she has light lace right here, and she does have your typical 2.5-inch parting right here, which is pretty normal for Amazon wigs. She also has 2 combs right here in the side. She also has 1 comb right here in the middle, right here. And of course she has a medium wig cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. She is also heat resistant as well, but she's just a little bit lower on the spectrum. So it says 130 degrees Celsius, or that is 266 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes. This wig does arrive with 1 wig cap, so you are ready to go as soon as she arrives. But I will be using a brand new, fresh wig cap from Amazon. So exciting. I tell you what, ladies, there's nothing more exciting in my life, I feel, than a brand new wig cap. I put my wigs on front to back. Wow, look at this voluminous girl. Oh my gosh. Let's just take a quick little look at the hairline. She actually is pretty good. As you can maybe see right here, she has a really good hairline. I feel like she looks like you would do some very minimal plucking if you really needed to, because it just looks great. But of course, pluck away. All right, so let's cut off the lace really quickly. So now I'm going to take my wig brush and just ever so lightly brush her out just a little bit. Okay, look at her. Look at her in her 24 inches. As you can see, she is a gorgeous color. Definitely like a very soft, wavy, almost beachy. As you can see with these lowlights and highlights of the wig, kind of like underneath, a little bit more blonde underneath. This is pretty gorgeous, right? Just from putting her on, I feel like the one side of her kind of pops up just a little bit more than the other side. But of course, that could just be easily corrected with a flat iron and a handkerchief or a scarf by like putting her down. I saw some of the reviews on Amazon that said there was like almost like doll hair mixed in, and you know, I don't really see what they're saying. I feel like both strands of colors and whatnot are the exact same. I feel it does not feel like doll hair, or it just feels like your average Amazon wig. Let's of course play with the parting, as you know I love to do. So let's just shift this girl on the left eyebrow, which is my usual eyebrow. So since this wig has like different curl patterns on each side, I know it's gonna give a different look. So let's just take a look here. Oh, this is cute. This is definitely a cute look. So that's easy to kind of flip around. So let's change it on the right side and see what she's gonna look like. Okay, definitely a little different since she does have a different curl pattern right here. So of course, let me know if you have this wig or if you have another wig from this company. I would love to know and see you in these pictures of you and your amazing wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be, because life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this blondie with golden highlights wig, wear it.